Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a running total in Excel. So let's get started. Basically, we use a formula for total running. So first add equal sign, then type sum, next start parentheses, then select the first started value. Next add colon. When you add colon, it will again select your first value automatically, then close parentheses. Now before applying this formula, place your cursor between the first value or colon, and then press F4 from your keyboard to hold your first value, and then press Enter. Now drag it from the corner and apply this formula to all values. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.